Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing. I use a free drawing app called Sketchbook. Its felt tip pen is a good brush to draw outlines. To save some time, I enable the symmetry tool, so I only need to draw the left side of his face, while the right side is auto-reflected by the symmetry tool. Like height in males and the waist-hip ratio in females, symmetrical faces are more attractive to people across cultures and historical times. I also drew his clothes symmetrically, which made the picture lack of characters. Humanity is messy and should remain as such, so I disabled the symmetry tool. Lessons learned: if you do not want a boring portrait, then don't overuse the symmetry tool. In the description, there are individual tutorial videos that I made to talk about how to draw hair, eyes, ears, nose, and etc. There are also basic tutorials to teach you how to draw outlines, and advanced videos for coloring. I decided to modify one side of his clothes to make my drawing more interesting. You may find the most difficult part of this drawing is to draw the folds in his clothing. Yes, I agree. But let me tell you the secret. You need to be brave and patient at the same time, then it won't be too hard to draw. Don't be afraid that the outline of his clothing is not accurate, because he is wearing a dark-colored shirt. Once you added the color, your eye won't be that sensitive to the difference of the outlines anymore. You just need to make sure the shoulder line and the colors are roughly right, then it should be fine. I remembered about a year ago, when I was watching an anime artist streaming how she was adding shadows to the folds of the characters that she was drawing, and she said, "Just draw, it may take some time, but you can draw freely." I was like, wow, I don't even know where I'm supposed to draw the shadows. How can I draw freely? But after 1 year's practice, what she said at the time now makes sense to me. As long as you have a reference photo, then you should know where roughly to draw, and the same as outlines. You do not need to put the shadows in the exact spots, since your brain won't be able to process so much information at once. And the clothing is not even the focal point when people are looking at a drawing. Just pick 3 degrees of shades and blend them into the base color by adjusting opacity, erase the edges with the soft eraser, and adjust the base color with flow airbrush. If you are more advanced, then use the felt tip pen with its maximum size to add some highlights at the end. Then you are done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.